Build your own thing. Build your own thing in these dark and weird times. It may take a long time, but it's the best thing you can do. Keep working towards it. We can't depend on the system to give us a job and a livelihood. It's always uncertain. Will you be fired? Will there be a recession, a crash, and everyone loses their job? There's too much instability. In the long run, it's better to build something yourself, your own business, or create art or music or videos that others hopefully want to support. It may take years, but if and when it does pay off, you'll be living more of a free life. And there's nothing more satisfying or rewarding than building your own thing in this life, creating something built on your own interests, hobbies, and passions. The modern consumer life, the vast sea of terrible and depressing jobs, would no longer be something that has a hold on you. A positive world, as opposed to one of miserable drudgery, where you have very little control and little free time. So the world you're building brings you less stress, more positivity, makes you feel alive, ignites the spark inside you. So how can we live for so many years going against our nature? It's a marvel people survive so many years grinding it out. So my message is to keep searching, find the thing you want to do, and start building, step by step, day by day. There's nothing to lose in doing this. Set goals and work towards them every day as much as you can. It's a broken system, one that doesn't serve us. Find a way to break free. It could be starting your YouTube channel. It could be growing your Substack. Learn as you go, learn from the mistakes and failures, and keep trying, keep building. More and more in this screwed up era, we need to think along these lines, creating a life that works for us, getting outside the system, and not having to rely on it anymore. This video is as much for me as for anyone who's interested, because I'm working on it too, doing my writing, making videos, trying to get there. In the normal 9-to-5 world, the businesses that are prioritized in this economy and the fields and jobs that are rewarded by the economy are things that we are likely to not be interested in. Yet we have to spend 40 plus hours each week pretending to care, giving so much of our time and energy, blood, sweat, and tears. And this leads to the feeling of a meaningless life. It leads directly to high stress, depression. It takes a toll on our mental and physical health. What if you could actually spend time doing things you're interested in? Devoting your time to your creativity, the things you would like to learn more about. It would bring about a sea change in your life. Work would be leisure, leisure would be your work, and it would all come together. You would be on no one else's clock, being in charge of your own time, getting to wake up and decide what you want to do with each day. A world that you shape by your own creativity and interests. Now, it might be one of the hardest things to do. Not everyone is going to be successful overnight, but is one of the best things you can do. All right, good luck to everyone. I like giving people encouragement, supporting your endeavors to break free of the matrix. So I'll watch your content and leave comments. I'll subscribe to your channel. If you want to talk and kick around ideas here about starting your own thing, I'm down for that too. This is where you'll find me, here on YouTube, and links to Substack are below, where you can find me there. All right, everyone, thanks for stopping by. Really appreciate the support, and I'll see you in the next one.
There's a picture there.